Want to know the secret to video ads that stop the scroll and stack your cash? In 2025, Facebook Reels are raking in 3.5 billion shares a day, and businesses like yours are cashing in. If they nail the formula, I'm talking short, punchy videos that don't just get likes, but get sales. Stick with me. I'll show you how to create high, engaging video ads that pop, plus how to decode Facebook's metrics to see if they're actually working. Ready to turn viewers into buyers? Let's roll. First, let's set the stage. Video's not optional anymore. It's the game. Facebook says Reels alone drive 50% more engagement than static posts, and 73% of people prefer short videos to research products per eMarketer's 2025 stats. Why? Attention spans are shrinking, 8 seconds tops, and video hooks fast. Think Gymshark. Their 15-second workout clips on Reels pulled $500 million in sales by 2024. Or Sweet Treats, a small bakery that went viral with a cookie dough video, $10,000 in orders overnight. The trend's clear. High engaging video ads are your ticket to standing out in 2025's crowded feeds. So how do you make one? Here's the playbook. 5 steps to nail it. Step 1. Hook them in 3 seconds. Start with a bang. Think bold visuals or a question like, tired of bland coffee? Research shows 65% of viewers drop off after 3 seconds. If you don't grab them, keep it short and sweet. Aim for 15 to 30 seconds. Facebook data says completion rates tank past 30 seconds. 75% of Reels under 15 seconds get watched fully. Show your product, not your life story. A jeweler might zoom in on sparkling ring, then cut to a happy customer wearing it. Step 3, make it raw and real. Skip the polish. Authenticity wins. Use your phone, not a studio. Sweet Treats filmed dough kneading on an iPhone. Raw vibes doubled their shares. Add text overlays too. 80% watch muted. So captions like order now keep them locked in. Step 4, solve a problem or spark joy. People buy emotions or fixes. Show how your product saves time, like a gadget slicing prep in half, or delivers a smile, like a pet toy making a dog go wild. Emotional hooks drive 2 times more clicks. Per Meta's 2025 ad insights. Step 5, end with a clear call to action, CTA. Don't leave them hanging. Say swipe up to shop or click to claim 20% off. Add urgency, limited stock, and watch conversion spike. Glossier shop now Reels see 30% higher click-throughs with this trick. Need proof? Look at the pros. Gymshark's Reels, quick cuts of sweat and gear, keep viewers hooked, driving millions in apparel sales. Glossier's founder, Emily Weiss, posts unfiltered makeup demos. Fans buy straight from the video. Even local wins like Sweet Treats show a shaky phone clip can outperform slick ads if it's real and relatable. The pattern? Fast hooks, short run times, and a punchy call to action every time. Now, how do you know if your masterpiece is working? Facebook Ads Manager's your dashboard. Here's are the top 5 metrics to watch and what they mean. First, video play rate. This shows what percentage of people who saw your ad hit play. Aim for 70% plus. Under 50%, your thumbnail or hook's weak. Test a bolder image. 2, 3-second views. How many watched past 3 seconds? If it's below 60%, your opening's not grabbing. Swap it for a louder hook. Meta says top ads hit 80% here. 3, video completion rate. Did they watch to the end? 50% plus is solid for a 50-second ad. Under 30% means it's too long or boring. Trim it down. Sweet Treats hit 75% with their snappy clip. Click-through rate, CTR. This is clicks divided by impressions. 1 to 2% is average. 3% is gold. Low click-through rate. Your click-through rate, your call to action's fuzzy. Make it pop with buy now. Gymshark's CTR hovers at 4% thanks to urgency. 5. Cost per results, CPR. Divide your spend by conversions, like sales or leads. Median CPRs, 10, 15, and 2025. Varo's data. If yours is $50, your targeting's off or the ad's not converting. Tweak audiences settings or the offer. Here's the drill. Check these weekly in Ads Manager under campaigns. Low play rate or 3-second views, rework start, try, question, or shock value. Completion rate tanking, shorten it, cut fluff, click-through rate, or CPRs off. A/B test, run 2 versions like one with Shop Now versus Get Yours, and scale the winner. If your $50 ad gets 1,000 plays, 800 3-second views, 500 completions, and 20 clicks at a 2% click-through rate, you're cooking. Optimize from there. Data's your compass. Use it. Bottom line, high engaging video ads are your 2025 superpower. Hook fast, keep it short, stay real, solve something, and push that call to action. Then dig into Facebook metrics, play rate, views, completions, CTR, CPR, to know what's hitting. Start today, shoot a 15-second reel, spend $20 testing it, and watch the numbers. You don't need a Hollywood budget, just a phone and this plan. Who's ready to make ads that sell like crazy? Let's get filming. If you need help with this, you can always reach out, contact us. We can help you run your ads for you, manage your campaigns, consult you on your videos. If you don't, just get to it. The first time you do it might fail, but look at your numbers, keep making adjustments, and here's to your success. Keep going. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. Take care.